Hello friends, myself Vandana Yadav. I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And today the topic we'll be talking about is court marriage. So friends, life में कभी कभी ऐसी situation आती है when two people want to marry each other but they cannot because of caste or other reason, जिसकी वजह से the parents do not agree and they go in for court marriage. So talking about marriage, there are two legal procedures to marriage. One is marrying in a Arya Samaj Mandir and then getting it registered and getting a certificate, and the other is court marriage. Now both these are legal procedures to marriage, but the certificates which are given in these two marriages, both the certificates have the same power and the validity. Let's talk a little about Arya Samaj before coming back to court marriage, which is our topic today. So Arya Samaj was established in 1875 by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, and इसमें वैदिक रिचुअल्स एंड पूरे राइट्स के हिसाब से शादी की जाती है. The marriage is done under the Arya Samaj Validation Act 1937. However, it is registered under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Now, जो भी आर्य समाजीज हैं, they are against idolatry, that is मूर्ति पूजन के खिलाफ हैं ये लोग. And if you are a Hindu or a Sikh, or if you are a Hindu, you are a Jain, you are a Buddhist or a Sikh, then you can easily perform a marriage in Arya Samaj Mandir. But in case you are a Muslim or a Christian or a Jew or a Parsi, then you have to go through the process of Shuddhikaran plus the religion conversion before you can perform a marriage under Arya Samaj. So let us come to court marriage. What is court marriage? Court marriage is when the government gives you a certificate and that you are legally wedded now. Court marriage, as opposed to the other legal marriage, the other legal procedure of marriage, there are no rituals in this. यहाँ पे what are the conditions? We have all the court marriages are performed under the Special Marriage Act 1954. Let us talk about the conditions of court marriage. The first is that the bride should be above 18 years old and the couple and the groom to be should be above 21 years. Both should be physically present at the wedding. Both of them should be capable of giving free consent to such a marriage. They should not be of unsound mind. They should not be within the prohibited degrees of relationship. And both of them should not be married before, and if they are, then they have to have a proper divorce decree before going in for court marriage. What are the documents required for a court marriage? So basically there are three documents required for a court marriage. The first is a birth proof, and for this a birth certificate or a class 10th mark sheet is enough, or you can also go for a driving license or a passport Aadhaar card. The second is the residential proof or the residence proof, where Aadhaar card is mandatory. And the third is the ID proof, that is पहचान पत्र, जहाँ पे वोटर ID और पैन कार्ड हो सकता है. But there are two witnesses required, जिनकी photograph and residence proof हमें चाहिए. All the original documents are needed, but only their photocopies is submitted in the office of the registrar. And both the witnesses should be 18 plus, that is they should be above 18 years. In case अगर bride या groom या जो intending couple है उनमें से कोई एक foreigner है, तो आपको 3 और documents देने हैं apart from these documents. These are passport, one visa and NOC, that is the no objection certificate. Let us come to the procedure of a court marriage. The first step is that the couple gives a notice to the registrar, the intending couple who wants to marry. He gives a notice in the marriage registrar office. The second step is that notice is published in the office. If there are no objections, the third step is the objections, that is if there are no objections coming from the family or the third party, are in maximum 30 days, that is within a month, then the bride and the groom they have a declaration signature, and the examination of witnesses is done, And then step 5 is that your marriage gets registered and a marriage certificate is issued, जिस पर न्यूलीवेड कपल के सिग्नेचर्स होते हैं प्लस द साइन ऑफ द विटनेस. So conclusively, we can say that court marriage is a more easier form of marriage with no rituals. Minimum 30 days time, which is same all over India. It does not depend upon from state to state. And if no objection comes within 30 days, you are given a marriage certificate. So this was all about court marriage. Hope you liked the video.